Okay, there's this short advert that I got recently, and I was thinking it would be nice if we could do this project together. My name is Daniel, and today we'll be working on a wedding advert in Plotagon Studio. So the owner of this project said he wants a short advert, something that would serve as a sort of announcement. So I thought to myself, instead of using hours in making the video, why not do something simple with Plotagon Studio? And as God will have it, I was not at home on the day I got this project. I was in the traffic, I was not with my laptop, it was just my phone. And trust me, I submitted before getting home. So this was what I did. First of all, let's go to create video. Then we want to look for, I'll be using any scene this time around. I don't want it to take too much time. Happy place. Let's use happy place. The fuck? Okay, sorry. Let's use happy place. Wow, happy place indeed. Okay, I'll be using my guy here. I can't even see you. Then we'll be using gifts here. Let's see how that works. Okay, that's nice. Let's move forward. Oh, let's get this right. Okay, yes, this is nice. Now we want to just write our text. I have already copied the text, so let me just paste it. So this is everything, and then let's go to another text, which will be gift this time around, and paste. Okay, so happy place, we're both sitting down. Come join in our you must be happy. I'll change our expression to happy, my own expression to okay, let's say dancing. No, you can't be that. Headache, that's okay. Also happy. Then let's play from the beginning.
Hello, beloved. My name is Abraham. With me is Martha. It's a delight in our hearts, especially to invite you to our wedding coming up on the 24th April, 2021. At Bishop Murray Hall, Holy Ghost Parish beside Federal Medical Center, Makurdi, Benue State, Nigeria. For more details, you can reach us on this number, +234 816 382 2175. Or +234 703 541 8166.
Come join in our celebration. The color theme of our wedding are ox blood, navy blue, purple and white.
So yes, that is everything. Meanwhile, you can change the scene, you can play with any scene you want. I just use this in order to save time. So this is how to just do a short advert. First of all, you choose the scene, and when you are comfortable with that, you can go to the established shot. So the camera will pan, maybe pan left, pan right, or move forward, anyone you want to do. And once you're comfortable with that, also you go into your text, or if there's anything you want to add. Let's say this is a door step, for example, you can add a doorbell. Yeah, something like that.
Hello, beloved.
Let's say that is if this is a door, for example. So this is not a door, so it does not work, but then just find the sound that works with whatsoever thing you're doing. Then when you are done with that, you want to start writing out your text. Once you're done with that, you choose the expression you want the character to display. then you go to the next character, and so on and so on and so on. And once you're done with that, you can add music inside the app, but that will not make it the background music. This is what I mean. If I should add music, then this would, let's say something like this. If I should move it, okay.
Hello, beloved. My name is Abraham.
As you can see, what I was trying to say is, as soon as it played this music, it's moved to the next layer. This is just like a layer. So once it is through with this one, it will move to the next one. That means this music has stopped once all the conversation has started. So you don't want that. You want the music to play throughout. So thereby, I suggest you use a video editor. You can use KineMaster, VN video editor, Node Video, Viva Video, anyone you have, anyone. In short, those ones you can then add your music yourself and export. So if you want to export, you want to click on this one here and you want to render video. You can choose to render with subtitle or without subtitle, anyone you want to do. Then once you're done, let's choose without subtitle. And you want to save to gallery. For those that have been saying that after rendering they don't see their video, it has happened to me, not on this phone, on my other phone. And this is what I used to do. I save to drive. So when I save to drive, it will export to Google Drive. Then I download it now onto my phone. I don't know why, but that is how I used to do it then. But now I think the problem is the Android version. Anything from Android 10 and above should work fine. But those that have devices with Android 9 or below, you might stumble upon glitch or bugs. So go to save to gallery, and yes, that will be all. Your plot has now been saved. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. It is absolutely free. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon, as this will let you know as soon as I drop any new video. Make sure you comment anything you want me to make a video about, or any question you want to ask me. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on later.